Mastering a skill is no easy feat, but it can be incredibly rewarding and valuable. Whether you are trying to learn a new language, pick up a musical instrument, or improve your cooking skills, there are several secrets to mastering a skill that can help you achieve your goals. In this article, we will explore some of these secrets and provide tips from the pros to help you along the way. Identify your goal. The first secret to mastering a skill is to identify your goal. This means setting a clear and specific goal for what you want to achieve. Whether it's learning to play a specific song on the guitar or being able to hold a conversation in a foreign language, having a specific goal in mind will help you stay motivated and focused. It's also important to break down long-term goals into smaller, achievable milestones. For example, if your long-term goal is to become conversational in a language, your short-term goal may be to learn 50 new vocabulary words per week. Find motivation. Motivation is key when it comes to mastering a skill. Without motivation, it's easy to lose interest and give up. To stay motivated, it's important to create a routine and find a supportive community. This could mean setting aside a specific time each day for practice, finding a workout buddy to keep you accountable, or joining a language exchange group. It's also important to celebrate small victories along the way and to remember why you started in the first place. Develop a learning plan. Developing a learning plan is another secret to mastering a skill. This means identifying resources and setting aside time for practice. It's important to find resources that work for you, whether that means taking a class, using online resources, or working with a tutor. It's also important to track your progress and adjust your learning plan as needed. For example, if you find that you are struggling with a specific aspect of the skill, you may need to spend more time practicing that area. Get guidance. Guidance is another important secret to mastering a skill. Getting feedback from experts or mentors can help you identify areas for improvement and make progress more quickly. This could mean taking lessons from a professional instructor, attending a workshop or conference, or finding a mentor. It's important to make the most of guidance and feedback by actively seeking it out and applying it to your practice. Practice effectively. Effective practice is essential when it comes to mastering a skill. This means breaking down the skill into smaller parts and focusing on areas of weakness. It also means practicing deliberately, which involves focusing on specific aspects of the skill and repeating them until they become automatic. It's important to avoid mindless repetition and to practice with intention and purpose. Maintain momentum. Maintaining momentum is another secret to mastering a skill. This means continuing to challenge yourself and celebrating small victories along the way. It's also important to avoid burnout by taking breaks when needed and staying motivated over the long term. In conclusion, mastering a skill takes dedication, practice, and guidance. By setting clear goals, finding motivation, developing a learning plan, getting guidance, practicing effectively, and maintaining momentum, you can achieve your goals and become a master of your chosen skill. Remember to stay patient, celebrate small victories, and enjoy the journey along the way.